Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be sharing with you today a flea market haul. Me, my mom, and my sister went to the flea market on Sunday. It is a flea market in Orange County that's every second Sunday, and it's like a vintage flea market. And I found this one booth that, oh my gosh, had the cutest stuff. I was like in love. And yeah, so I found some really cute stuff and I wanted to go ahead and share them with you. So let's go ahead and dive in and show you what I got. So this is kind of the only thing that I got that's not like crafty, was this really cute holly dish. It does have a little tiny little doink on the side here, but yeah, I just think this is really super cute. And I really love it, and I love hollies. It's like one of my favorite things to like decorate with and just accent with. So I really love this dish, and it was only $3. So I really love that. And I picked up a thing of this holiday roll, and this is a piano, like an old-fashioned electric piano sheet, music sheet. I'm trying to see if it has a date on it. Don't see a date. It's Christmas hymns, and basically it's just, you know, that paper that's like got the holes in it. Amity Bloom, she does a lot with this paper, this type of paper, and I just thought this was really super pretty, and I love the aging on it, and even the box is super cute. The box has a date on it. Yep, I'm not seeing a date. I found this cute little trifold tag book thing, and granted I could definitely make something like this, but I just really wanted to support the artist that made this. So she charged $5 for this, and I'm pretty sure her sister said that she had made the paper and then scanned the paper in. She did the drop paper. I can't remember what that's called, where you like drop it on there and spread it around. Somebody knows what that's called, and they'll leave it in the comments, hopefully. So, and then she just printed it on some paper, some book pages. So basically this is the front. It's got this cute little tag with the 5 on it. It's paper clipped. And then when you open it, it's got some really cute little birdie images and some tags in here. This looks like Edith Holden pages. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but that's what it looks like to me. And then this just slides back into that. And then there's another little image. That I'm pretty sure is Edith Holden. And then these little envelopes here on the side. These tiny little envelopes with little things in them. Super cute. I loved the bird theme. And the music sheet paper down the side. I just think this is really super cute. And then this one has a really long tag in there. And gotta tell you, oh, there it goes. And then it's got a cute little booklet in here. If you take this out, it's got like a cute little booklet. Oh, you know what? It's funny, I have this paper. I have that paper pack. And then she just sewed in the tea-dyed paper. And then she must have did like a texture. Oh no, I think she glued 2 pages together. She must have glued some pages on top of that, because it's definitely not double-sided. And then it's cute because it's a little pocket here. And this is Edith Holden book page, I believe, too. She's got a little pocket here on the side that just slides into, and then it folds up, and it's just got a little seam binding here on the side, and then it just has this little rickrack ribbon thing on the front, or jute, I should say. I found some Christmas golden books in the area that I went to that had some really cool packs that I'll show you in a second. I guess this particular person just has a bunch of stuff that she's just collecting over the years, and she just puts little packs together and She just had the cutest booth. It was just so cute. Me and my sister went crazy in that booth. So we had a bunch of stuff, and my sister's like, well, you might as well get the little golden books too. I'm like, all right, fine, twist my arm. So they were $2 a piece, which is a pretty good deal. And then, so I just got the one that's the night before Christmas, which I actually have this one. I made my December daily last year out of this, this book, and then the Christmas story. So yeah, I'm excited I have those to add to my collection. And then I bought this. I actually will go ahead and open it. So it's got this cute little image of Santa. I guess this is a card. Oh yeah, look, it's a card. It's so cute. And then this is a little train, caboose train thing. And it's just old-fashioned and little train. And my son actually works for a travel agent, and he books train travel trips. So I wanted to get him something to just commemorate that he works for a train company. And I don't know if these actually hook together. I don't see that it actually hooks together. I don't think it goes together because this is metal and this is wood. But I just wanted to buy something that he could kind of set on his desk at work. Or he can even set it here in the... I just wanted to buy something that kind of commemorated that. I just thought that was really cool that I found something antique and cool for him. So I will put this under the Christmas tree for him. Okay, so then the other thing that I bought were 3 of these packets and then this big, huge container of just goodness. This was $8. She charged $8 for all of this. And then for the 3 packs were $10. So it was 3 for $10. So I'm going to go ahead and open each of the packs and look, because I haven't even really looked at it and looked at what was in it. So let's go ahead and explore and see what was in it. So this one has just like a little ornament that says "Be Merry," the heart. So that's super cute. And then look what she did here. She put the, like, I think she just used tape and taped little words together to make it say wish. The little letters together. I thought that was such a cute idea. And then some old silver rickrack. Love that. And then she put the bingo card with some red rickrack on it. Oh, and look at this little picture of Santa with the little girls. And then there's some time cards that are old and kind of, I don't know if it's tea dyed or just like aged, like natural aging. Oh, and then she had this Scrabble original score sheet. Oh, that's really cool. And it's a whole pack in here. Huh. That's neat. And then there are music sheets, holly and really darling, cute music sheets in here, and they're big too. And then some more music sheets. And these are just kind of like plain, which is like perfect for collaging or just adding to a journal. Super cute. And then this one is some him facing, white. And then a couple little cards that have Merry Christmas on it. And then she had made some tags, looks like. And then, let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I got a cute little card thing. And then this little wood piece that says Merry Christmas. And then a bunch of cool red and tan buttons. I love buttons. And then just a couple little rhinestone and snowflake things are in there. So cute. So it's kind of like, you know, it was just stuff from her collection she put together in little packs. We had a really nice conversation. She was a really sweet lady. And then, let's see. Okay, let me move this out of the way. I did give her my YouTube channel. Said I'm going to do a haul video, so if you're watching this video, say hi to me in the comments. Okay, and then I saw this one, and it was so hard to pick. I wanted to pick all of them. She had a big trunk full of them, and I literally was just like, oh my god, if I had $100 right now, I'd buy like 10 packs of these. So yeah, it was really hard to pick ones, but I saw this and I'm just like, this, of course, if you follow my channel, you know this is like my favorite color, so I had to get this one. Okay, so first of all, there's really cool like old buttons in here, and then she's got just a little tag, just cute buttons. Oh, I like that one. And then she's put the little G for girl or glam or whatever. And then she put a little seam binding around this little tag that she made. And then the really cool old McCall's pattern cover. Oh, I like that. Big cross paper. And then some more music sheets, paper. Really cool. And then looks like some printouts. This looks like a, I'm not sure what this is, but it's very cool. Like little cut apart things. This like looks like it might be cabbage dyed. Oh, and I was so excited about this accounting paper. That's really cool. And some more little cut apart things. And this looks like an old letter. And then just some old book pages. The Christian year and some dictionary page. This stuff would be really cool for like collaging or doing a lot of book page. Gail Gustinelli does a lot of book page stuff. So maybe I could try to follow some of her tutorials on using book pages. Little person. Oh, look at the little greeting card. Oh, that's cute for Easter. And then another dictionary page. It says dresser and dressing and cute. It's a picture, an old-timey picture. And she made this little birdie out of some page or some music sheet. And then a little card. Oh, and then there's some tea-dyed tickets as well. And then this one is the other one that I selected because of the front of there is so cute. So let's go ahead and open this one. Okay, so first of all, there's glitter. And this looks really old. I don't know how old this is, but just the packaging looks old. And then some pom-pom, really fun pom-pom ribbon. This is kind of looks like, feels like a wire a little bit. Maybe not, but feels like it. And then look at the little angels. Really cute little angel sets. And then just some cut aparts that she had cut apart. Cute. Really cute. And then this Christmas card with the Santa on it is adorable. Oh, I wonder if you're supposed to put a picture in there. How cute is that? Oh, that's really cute. And then a little cut apart with some angels and bells. And a bingo card. A couple more time cards. little half sheet of music paper. This is a guest ranch riding stables sign-in sheet kind of thing. There's 2 of them in here. That's really cool. And then some more music sheet paper. And there's some music sheet paper with that really cool image on the back. Oh, look, these ones have images too. I wonder if these are from Ideals pages, I wonder. Oh, there's another one of those little cards. And then another music sheet paper. Yep. Oh, and then there's all this stuff. And then there's some cute little cut-aparts, little tags. This says Wish, Santa Claus, and then another little wish thing. And this has like little baubles, ornaments. Oh, and then it's got some really little card cut apart things right here. Some of this stuff is embossed. And then this cute little old Saint Nick picture. That's old. I mean, it's like an old photo. Yeah, so I'm super excited to have all these goodies to put in my collection. I don't think I'm actually going to take this out because I think I'm just going to leave it in just the way it is and set this on my counter or on my bookshelf. And I will be doing a craft room tour here soon, probably the first of the year. I'll load some like the first of the year. But yeah, I think I'm just going to put this on my shelf just as is, as a decoration piece, because I just think it's so cool. And yeah, so I might add a couple more little bits and bobs to it to kind of fill it up a little bit, but I just think it's really cool. And I might do something with the top just to add something to it at the top, but I don't know. I just think it's cool. All right, so there was my haul video for all of the things I bought at the flea market. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye for now.